Did you know your body can still build muscle, even at age 80? Don't believe anyone who says it's too late. In this video, we're starting a simple 15-minute daily journey to help you regain strength and confidence, just like when you were younger. Maybe you've been walking every day, trying to stay active, but still feel weak or unsteady. That's not your fault. Walking is great for your heart, but it doesn't rebuild the muscle we lose with age. The good news? It's never too late. With just one small habit done right at home, with no equipment, you can feel stronger, more stable, and more independent again. Today, you'll discover why walking alone isn't enough, how a short resistance routine can change everything, and hear inspiring stories of older adults who regained up to 40% of their strength. So hit that subscribe button and let's start this journey together. Your glow up starts now. Recent research shows that building muscle after 60 is not only possible, it's powerful. A 2023 study published in Aging Clinical and Experimental Research found that just 12 weeks of simple resistance training using only body weight led to a 22% increase in leg strength in women over 65. That's huge, especially for older adults who want to stay independent and prevent falls. And this benefit isn't just for healthy seniors. People with chronic conditions like diabetes or arthritis, and women after menopause, who often experience faster muscle loss, can also gain strength with gentle, consistent training. Science keeps confirming it. Resistance training works, even late in life. It's safe, it's effective, and it can start changing your body in just a few weeks. Now here's a little challenge for you. If you're ready to give this a real try, start with just 15 minutes a day for the next 7 days. It's simple, it's doable, and it could change how you move and feel. Want to make it even more powerful? Drop a comment below saying, "I'm starting today." We'll pin the first 5 comments to cheer each other on. Let's build strength and a strong community together. Walking is great for your heart, your lungs, and your mood. It keeps your body moving and your joints from getting stiff. But as we get older, we naturally lose muscle, a condition called sarcopenia. And walking alone doesn't work the muscles deeply enough to stop or reverse that loss. That's why resistance exercises like gentle squats or chair stands are so important. They target the muscles we rely on for balance, standing, climbing stairs, and getting up from a chair. Without these, daily tasks become harder. So while walking is a great start, it's just one piece of the puzzle. To stay strong and independent, your body needs a little more. Let's turn this into a 15-minute morning routine to kickstart your strength every day. We'll call it the morning muscle ritual, a simple and effective way to wake up your muscles, boost your energy, and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Here's how it works. Start with 1 minute of warm-up, gently rotating your joints, stretching your arms and legs to get your blood flowing. Then, move on to 3 minutes of squats. Or, if squats aren't right for you yet, I'll show you some easier alternatives in just a moment. After that, spend 2 minutes doing wall push-ups or a light core exercise to build your upper body and core strength. Finally, take 1 minute to focus on deep breathing to recover and reset your body. You can do this exercise 2 to 3 times in a row in the morning or whenever you feel the need to stretch. This routine can be done every morning to strengthen your muscles, improve your balance, and help you feel more capable throughout the day. Let's begin your morning muscle ritual. Now, if you're new to exercise or find squats too challenging, don't worry. There are plenty of simple alternatives to help you get started. The goal is to gradually build strength and confidence, so listen to your body and choose what feels right for you. One great option is the sit to stand from your couch or chair. This exercise is similar to a squat, but it's easier on your joints and a great way to start building leg strength. Simply sit down on your couch, then stand back up, using your legs to power the movement. If squats are still too tough, try doing a half squat where you only lower yourself part way. This is a great option for people with knee pain or limited flexibility. Another option, if you have access to a pool, is squatting in water. The water reduces the impact on your joints while still providing resistance to build strength. Finally, don't forget to practice balancing on one foot for at least 10 seconds. This is a fantastic way to improve stability, strengthen your legs, and enhance your overall balance. Remember, start slow and gradually build up your strength. These alternatives are all excellent stepping stones to help you reach your fitness goals at your own pace. If you're feeling sluggish, slow, or just find it hard to carve out 15 minutes in the morning for these exercises, don't worry. You can still make progress by incorporating these movements into your daily activities. It's all about taking small, consistent steps and trusting that with patience, you'll start feeling stronger. Here are some simple ways to blend exercises into your daily routine, even if you're short on time. Squat while brushing your teeth. This is an easy way to add a quick exercise into your morning routine. Every time you brush your teeth, do a few squats. It's a great way to engage your legs without taking extra time. Sit to stand 10 times every time you get up from the couch. Instead of just standing up, use your legs to rise and sit down slowly. Doing this 10 times each time you get up will build strength and stability over time. Do wall push-ups while waiting for water to boil or food to cook. If you're in the kitchen, take advantage of those moments when you're waiting for something. Perform a set of wall push-ups to strengthen your upper body without needing extra time or equipment. By integrating these exercises into your everyday routine, you're transforming them into natural habits. This approach makes it feel easy and achievable, and soon you'll notice the difference in your strength and energy levels. Small changes every day will lead to big results. As we focus on building strength through exercise, it's important not to overlook the role nutrition plays in protecting our muscles as we age. After all, muscle loss in older adults isn't just about lack of activity, it's also about deficiencies in key nutrients like protein, vitamin D, and B12. To really protect and build muscle, we need to pay attention to what we're eating. Start by incorporating 3 easy-to-digest, protein-rich foods into your daily meals: eggs, Greek yogurt, and lean chicken or fish. These foods are not only packed with high-quality protein, but are also gentle on the digestive system, making them ideal for seniors. To optimize muscle recovery, combine breakfast with a short exercise routine. This combination maximizes protein absorption and ensures your body can effectively rebuild muscle. Additionally, focus on nutrients like leucine, which helps trigger muscle protein synthesis, creatine, known for enhancing strength and muscle mass, and collagen peptides, which support joint health and improve muscle recovery. By paying attention to both your exercise routine and your nutrition, you'll be taking a comprehensive approach to healthy aging, protecting both your muscles and bones. This added focus on nutrition will help enhance your channel's credibility and deepen the trust of your audience in your advice. In addition to exercise and nutrition, it's equally important to pay attention to your mental and emotional well-being. Don't get too caught up in constantly worrying about your muscles and bones. Remember, a positive mindset can do wonders for your overall health. Focusing on staying upbeat and happy can actually support your physical progress. Embrace joy in the small things, whether it's a walk in the park, a good conversation with a friend, or simply enjoying the beauty around you. Social connection are key too. Join local groups or meet up with friends and neighbors for shared activities like walking, swimming, or just enjoying a healthy meal together. Not only does this foster a sense of belonging and support, but it can also make exercise feel less like a chore and more like a fun, communal experience. So while you're taking care of your body through movement and nutrition, don't forget to nurture your spirit. A healthy, happy mind often leads to a healthier body. So keep your mindset positive and find joy in the journey. Let me share the inspiring story of Mr. John, a remarkable man in his late 70s who turned his life around through a combination of exercise, nutrition, and a positive mindset. A few years ago, Mr. John felt weak and struggled to keep up with everyday activities. He found it hard to even walk up the stairs, and the thought of exercising seemed daunting. But then he decided to make a change. Rather than focusing on all the things that were wrong, he shifted his mindset. He started with small, manageable steps, 15 minutes of light resistance training each morning, followed by a balanced breakfast rich in protein to fuel his body. He also made sure to stay connected with his community. Every morning, he met up with a group of friends for a walk in the park or joined a local swimming class. These social connections gave him the encouragement and motivation to keep going. And it wasn't long before he noticed the results. His strength began to improve, and his energy levels skyrocketed. What's even more remarkable is that over time, Mr. John not only regained his strength, but also gained a renewed sense of purpose and joy in life. He found that combining physical activity with good nutrition, and most importantly, staying positive, gave him the energy and mental clarity to embrace each day with confidence. Now he's stronger than ever, feeling more independent and vibrant than he has in years. And there you have it. Small, simple habits, just 15 minutes a day, can make a world of difference in rebuilding your strength and confidence. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about consistency and believing in yourself. Whether it's a morning routine, a few squats while brushing your teeth, or connecting with your community, every little step counts. As we've seen with Mr. John, it's never too late to transform your life. So start today and take that first step towards a stronger, more independent you. Keep the positive mindset, stay active, and remember your journey is just beginning. If you're ready to commit, comment below. I'm starting today,